Good morning, party people. Starting things differently today. It's not actually morning, it's the afternoon here, but for continuation's sake. Oh.
Too hot.
Nah, that's alright. Just gotta get better at speaking. Hey, today we're gonna focus on rear delts for shoulders. So, this is one of the most, I think, forgotten about parts of the body that really changes your shape. It'll help bring your posture up, bring a nice broad chest, the shoulder will sit back and fill out rather than looking all hunched. It's gonna make you sit up nice and big and wide. So that's what we're gonna focus on today. Gonna go through and have that as the focus of the workout. A bunch of other stuff in there as well. But yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
So, if you watched my last vlog, which is up there, you'll see I was saying about my elbows being a little bit tender lately. I am doing my exercise for it, but I've been told to wear some straps while I'm in recovery mode to alleviate with the tension. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so we're gonna begin here with wide grip pull-ups. This is to help with that V shape of the back, get everything moving, the shoulder capsule warmed up. We're gonna go through and just do 4 sets of 10 of these. The cue with these, I got really close to you then, is making sure we're bringing our elbows towards our hips on every one here. Rather than lifting your chest up, elbows to hips. That is the cue to remember when doing wide grip pull-ups. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you the whole purpose of why I'm wearing the armbands. The way my physio explained this to me, I thought it was a really great demonstration using a towel. So, Nick, I need your hand. You're gonna hold the towel, good. So this here is the elbow, this is the wrist. So, you find, see your hand shaking around then? This is the strap that goes on there. When I do this, see your hand doesn't move anymore. So it means any of the tension's actually getting held through the band here and taking the pain away from this area here. The more you know. All right, on to the next one. All right, the first working set we're gonna go through now is a superset. Gonna go through and do cable face pulls. Supersetted with bent over cable flies. So this is gonna be, I'll show you the technique on these ones, but this is gonna be both for rear delts. So we're gonna fatigue them nice and early. Hitting in, technique with the face pulls. I do these sitting down. I find it stabilizes my lower body a little bit and means I can actually work through the shoulders. So I'm gonna sit down, gonna turn my hands outwards. So the back of my hands actually facing in together and we're pulling them beside the face. Contracting at the back, and I'm bringing the middle of the rope here towards the bridge of my nose. Right, straight over. So these are a single arm movement. Bent over, butt out, back flat, chest up. So you see what I'm doing there? My chest is staying down the whole time. I'm not twisting with the movement, keeping the core nice and straight, really focusing, using the rear delt to pull the weight up. Oh, I'm so sweaty now that these are sliding off my arms. So they're clearly not doing much. So I might leave them for now, and then when I do anything that after is going to engage it, I'll put them back on. Just want to explain to you guys why I was wearing them, why I'm not wearing them now. And as Steve Cook says, last set, be better.
Exactly right.
I think that's it.
That's exactly what it says.
What do you think about the green on green, Nick?
I like it.
I like it too. I was feeling this before.
It looks like a bit of a green olive.
Yeah, olive oil.
Olive oil.
That's what I was going for.
That's why you say slippery.
Yeah.
It's
I keep covering myself in olive oil so I can get through the work quicker.
Yeah.
So while we're here, I may as well continue using the cables. What we're going to do now is standing cable lateral raise. The reason we do a lateral raise on the cables is unlike a dumbbell, when you're raising up, you kind of get to the point where gravity just takes over and it's pulling it down. When you're using cables, the tension is on the entire way through the movement, so you're forced to continuously use muscle. It's going to lead to better hypertrophy. And hypertrophy is the name of the game. So the way I like to do these is split leg, lean out that little bit. It's going to get a bit of an angle, means you've got to work further with the cable. I think this is going to be the most annoying part of the workout today, is putting these on and off depending on the movement. Because my arms are relatively straight for this, I'm don't have any of that flexion, which is going to cause them to slide down. So back on we go. So because we're doing single arm at a time here, what are we going to do, Nick? You film me a lot. What do I do when I do single arms?
You're going to focus on engaging the core and not get too oily.
Nope. Okay, so this is the last time we did a shoulder video. This is a pop quiz. Last time we did the video, what did I say about when we're doing single arms? So while Nick's thinking about this, I'm going to tell you guys, you can go, Nick, you idiot. So when we're doing single arms, I like to switch between every rep. So if I'm starting my left arm for the first set, start my right for the second one, make sure I'm going doing them 4 times so they both get an even workout. That way you're not always having one shoulder more fatigued than the other.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yep, mark that down in your answer book. I just do it between the legs here with the cable. So when I'm leaning against the pole here, it creates a nice even line. I'm not going to pull behind my body or in front of my body. I can pull laterally up and down, creating a smoother line of movement. And if I fall, you'll catch me. We're done with that one now. You guys can rest. It's a quote from the Mark, Tom and Travis show by Blink-182. If you know it, 3 points for Gryffindor. Okay, we're doing a pressing motion here. Doing a rear, lateral, and front delt. The pressing is for the front delt. It's just a basic military press on the barbell here. This is 50 kilos, not particularly heavy. More about contraction and really feeling the movement rather than just moving bulk weight. Notice on these, I'm going right down my clavicle in every movement. Controlling all the way up, down, pause. I'm not just bouncing out the bottom. It means I'm activating the muscle fibers fully for every press. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is rear cable crossover. These are a personal favorite of mine for the rear delts. Just watch. Hey Nick, would it surprise you to find me putting these back on?
Yes, it would actually.
Yeah. So the reason I'm having to put these on and off is because I'm going from doing something where my elbow is bent, is cocked, and which forces strain on the forearm, to one of these ones where my arms are straight, which is actually causing me the most tension in my elbows. So I know it looks ridiculous I'm taking on and off, but there is method to my madness. Finishing here with another superset. We're gonna do lateral raise, but with a barbell instead of a dumbbell. This creates a bit more instability in the movement, so you have to be stronger. Single arm, holding onto the bench. And then straight from these on each arm, we're gonna jump into Arnold press. Heavy Arnold press, 6 to 8 reps. So go for 10 reps on each arm this one, 6 to 8 reps on the heavy ones. Well, that's tiring.
What did you expect?
Weird that lifting heavy weights is heavy. I don't get it. I got a message the other day from someone. I put up like, someone put in their story that they joined Milestone. They'd started doing my training program. We should get the link below. And I reposted it in my story and was like, welcome to the team. Glad to see you like being better, or something along those lines, or join the team, be better. Something along those lines. Anyway, and this guy wrote to me and he's like, I think it's disgusting that you think that people are only better when they're ripped and shredded. That's what makes someone a better person. What about all of us that suffer from depression, rah, rah, rah. And I had to read through the message. And kind of what I mean by be better when it comes to working out is being healthier, being more motivated, getting in, putting in work to improve yourself. Yeah, if you lose weight, if you get a six-pack, great, that's amazing. But the biggest thing about being better is pushing yourself to actually become a better version, a healthier, stronger human being. You're gonna be happier because of that. That's what I mean about being better. So if anyone's watching this and you've seen me say, hey, be better, don't take that as a you're not good enough. You're amazing as you are. I'm saying be better, be a healthier, stronger, faster, fitter, better version of yourself. I guarantee happiness is gonna come with that. All right, we're done. So, as I said, rear delts, something you should never leave behind. Make sure you're focusing on it. These exercises we've done today, give them a go. Let me know what you think. Always love to hear your feedback. As always, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on Friday.